Hi, so I'm going to show you steps on how to design a landing page from scratch. So right now I'm going to show you how to design from scratch. So right here I already created my frame, and one thing about me when I'm actually designing, I actually just think about what I actually want to do. So I set everything out so that when I'm actually about to put my work in place, it's going to be easier instead of me thinking and just rambling on what to do and what not to do. So right now I'm moving my rectangle to the bottom right here. So it's actually white, and I'm moving the other black one to the bottom. So right now I'm actually aligning them, making sure they're actually on the same line. They're actually of the same length, and it all looks great. Aligning is actually very important when designing. Aside from the fact that it makes your work looks neater, is actually just very important that when you design it, you align so well. So yeah, it's so easy to spot when your alignment is bad. So yeah, aligning is important. So right now the next stage is moving the letters. I'm moving the letters around. So moving the letters around and just thinking of where this one will go to, where would the other one go to. And I will stop talking for now and just let you watch it. So right now I'm actually included the email address at the other one, and I'm just going to include the continue on the black rectangle right there. So I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing while I keep quiet. And I'm just going to come back and just continue talking and yapping. Also, what I just want to say is that one other thing about design is that your fonts actually matters. The type of fonts you use actually matters in making your design look good, because there are some fonts that doesn't just work. So you have to keep changing it and making sure they do look good. So for this one, I decided to break it into two because I was thinking of putting everything on a straight line, but I'm it doesn't really look good putting it on a straight line. So breaking it down into two and putting it and aligning them in the middle actually like makes more sense. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. So right now I'm just like changing the type font and just making sure they all look good and actually more user friendly in case if anybody wants to use it. Okay. Right now I'm just like touching up and making sure everything look good before I use it as like my final presentation. Okay, let me shut up. and keep designing right here. Okay. Hey, I want to go. Always my days I want to spend them all with joy. It's plenty of going to everything I see. Let me shut up. So right now, I'm just not decisive on what to do or where I should put like sign up now to enjoy. So my brain is just like, okay, where do I put it? Which place will I put it and to look good? So that's what I'm trying to do right here now. Designing is actually not easy. It takes a lot of mental using your think. I said using your brain to think. A lot of critical thinking and using your brain a lot. Mm. Okay. Okay, almost done. Trying to make a final decision, coming to conclusions. So okay, almost done and giving the final touch up, and I'll be done designing my landing page. So this is just an easy way on how to like design a landing page from scratch. Yeah, that's it. I'm actually done with designing a landing page. Thank you for watching up to this extent. If you really did, thank you. And if you don't, thank you. And please subscribe. Bye.